Watch the outputs intertwine. F of x is the output, you see. That equation part is what it will be at the outputs or take away. F plus G walk side by side each day. Multiply, let the outputs multiply. Divide with care, zero can apply. Check restrictions from the start. Each function's limits play a part. The new domain is where both functions align. Exclude the x values that either one declines. And when you divide, check first thing. Denominator output can't be zero. No slipping. Work the outputs, that's the plan. Use the values where you can. Add or subtract, multiply, divide. Check the domain every time. Functions on functions, watch it flow. F composed with G, let the layers show. Start inside with G of x. Take that output, plug into F next. G gives an output that becomes the new x. Feed it into F to find what comes next. X starts in G's domain to begin. Then G's output must fit where F lets it in. But swap the order, G of F, new path, new end. Usually not the same as F of G, though inverse pairs can match again. Composition depends on when. Want the outputs, that's the plan. Use the x values where you can. Inside first, then outside next. That's the order composition expects. Operations and compositions working every time.